Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to process collard greens, and then I'm going to cook it in Sofrito. So it's going to be Sofrito fried collard greens. So first I'm going to cook them in the pressure cooker, and then once they finish in the pressure cooker, I'm going to show you how I'm going to fry them. Okay? Alright, great. So let's get started. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, share the video, share the video, subscribe, check out the links. Okay, thanks. Okay, so I already cut the greens up and washed them 3 times, but I just want to show you. Okay, so this is how the greens come, okay? Long leaves like this. This vein here, this is what you want to take out. So you just hold it together, the 2 pieces together, and just go right down until you take this vein out. Okay, this is out. Now you're left with the leaves, and you just want to cut them up or break them up like this. Okay, either way, cut them or break them into pieces. Okay, and then after you wash them 3 times really good, now you're ready to put them in the pot. So this is our insert for the pressure cooker. I'm going to just put them in, and nice and clean, see? I want to take half out because I want my seasonings in the middle and on top. Okay, so I took half out. I have the other half here. Okay. Alright. This is Sofrito that I made. You can go and check that video out, and then you'll know how to make the Sofrito. Sofrito is good for everything. Vegetables, meat, stews, soup, salad, you name it. Okay, so I have a tablespoon here. I'm going to go ahead and put 3 heaping, that means running over, tablespoons in the middle there. And then I'm going to add some seasonings right over top of that. Adobo. Granulated onions, greens are bland, so you got to bring some seasoning to the table. Black pepper, okay, I also want to add some, oh, where is it? No, can't see what I want when I want, right? Okay, let me get another one. Sassoon everything. Oh, we're going to bring some flavor now. Okay, now I'm going to put the balance of my greens on top and repeat the process with the seasonings. Sofrito, 1, 2, 3. Spoon everything. Black pepper. Onion, granulated onion. Alright, now we're going to add some olive oil. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I would say that's between 3 and 4 tablespoons full. Okay, this is 3 ounces of water. Let's add that. Now the greens, they will make water because it's a vegetable, right? So it's going to make water. Alright, so I'm going to turn your attention to the pressure cooker. 1 second. Okay, so let's put the greens in. Let's put the top on it. Lock it down. Let's go for 45 minutes. We want that nice and tender. Oh, wait, I forgot my, let me stop this. I forgot my apple cider vinegar. I definitely want that in there. Apple cider vinegar. Counting 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to try that again. Put this on. Okay, let's take this to 45 minutes. Okay, it'll build up the pressure. Once it builds up the pressure, that's when it'll start cooking, okay? Alright, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is learn your own body. So when you know something's wrong, like let me give you a for instance, my sugar was running high for the last 4 weeks or so. And I realized that no matter what I did, that wasn't going to rectify itself. So I decided that I needed to call the doctor because I didn't think that the medicine that I was on was doing the trick anymore. Okay? So I called the doctor and I told her what's been going on in regards to my sugar. It wasn't coming down like it normally would because my sugar is normally around 130 something. But this was way up there. It was like 147, 179, way off for me, okay? And so she prescribed another medicine to go along with I take metformin, along with the metformin that I'm taking. And I said, well, they had a recall on metformin. I says, and the pharmacy said it's not the one that I'm taking. I says, but how do I know for sure? She said, no, it's not that one. So I was happy about that. And so once I took that pill, the next morning, my sugar was back to where it would normally be. So I'm saying all of this to say this. You should learn your own body. And when you know your own body and something is not normal for you or not right, don't sit on it. Do something about it, okay? Because you know how your body works better than the doctor, and it's you who are going to be able to tell the doctor to get some better results. Remember this, it's your body and you have to maintain it, okay? Now that's the word of the day. Know your body. Alright, okay, we're going to wait on the greens to finish, okay? Thank you. Okay, so let's put the greens in. Let's put the top on it. Lock it down. Let's go for 45 minutes. We want that nice and tender. Oh, wait, I forgot my, let me stop this. I forgot my apple cider vinegar. I definitely want that in there. Apple cider vinegar. Counting 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to try that again. Put this on. Okay, let's take this to 45 minutes. Okay, it'll build up the pressure. Once it builds up the pressure, that's when it'll start cooking, okay? Alright, let me give you the word of the day. Okay guys, look at that. Look at the shine on that. Can you just imagine? It doesn't taste boiled, it tastes fried. Oh boy. Okay, so let me take a taste. Mmm. Oh my goodness. This is one for the books, guys. It really, really tastes good. I taste all the flavors. I taste the apple cider vinegar. And I taste a little sweetness from the honey. Oh my goodness. And that, the margarine really brought that flavor out. Home run, guys. Home run. Okay. Thumbs up. You know this is a thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe. Check out the links. Love you, love you, love you. Bye.